Hi, today we're going to make gluten-free and dairy-free cherry dump cake. Welcome to Mama Shire. Okay, we're going to start by taking a can of cherry pie filling. This one's gluten-free. It's Lucky Leaf. All you do is just open the can up and dump it in. That's where it gets the name. You're just going to dump some ingredients and it's going to turn out amazing. So spread this around. This is a 9 by 13 baking pan. I did not spray it. It didn't stick at all. And next goes in the crushed pineapple. It's about 20 ounces there. So just stir that around a little bit. And then next comes the gluten-free cake mix. This is a yellow cake mix. You can use any brand that you prefer that's gluten-free. Now once you get that all spread over, and then I kind of pat it down a little bit just if there's any high spots. Next I'm going to take some Smart Balance and I'm just going to measure out, I'm kind of eyeballing it here, 12 tablespoons, and I'm just spooning it out and I'm just going to put it evenly over the top of the cake mix. And then next you put it in an oven that's been preheated to 350 and you're going to bake it for 50 to 60 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Look at that. That is so delicious. You're going to love it. Be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.